For lesson 8's homework, we're going to do some more of our advanced similar triangle proofs. And really, we're going to expand on the end where we set up our proportions and our cross multiplication. So once we see that there's a proof statement that has sides being multiplied together, we know that that's a dead giveaway, that that's going to be a similar proof. So when we set this up, we're going to prove that the two triangles are congruent exactly the same way that we normally do. So statement, reason, and we're still going to look to get them congruent by angle. So the only thing it tells us here is angle B is congruent to angle D. So that's nice and easy. That's our givens. And now all we need to do is find another set of angles. Well, I'm going to take the easy one there at angle 1 and angle 2 for our verticals. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Vertical angles are congruent. And then step 3, our triangles are congruent, and we got to make sure we match up our letters correctly. So triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE by angle. So when we have our cross multiplication as our proof statement, that means it's going to take us 2 steps to get this done. The first step is going to be to essentially uncross multiply that. So we need to make our proportion. And the way we set it up is whatever is being multiplied together has to go diagonal from itself. So since BE and EC are being multiplied together, they have to go diagonal. So I put one top left, one top right. And then you can fill in the other ones, DE and EA, in the other 2 spots. And the reason for that is corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. And then our last piece here is the quick finish with the cross multiplication piece, which is our actual proof statement. So BE times EC is equal to DE times EA. And that's going to be the product of the means equals the product of the extremes. And the means and the extremes are just names that they have chosen to represent the parts of the proportion that get multiplied together. And there's our similar proof.